Hi, this video is a continuation of the previous video which I showed you how to establish a live connection between AutoCAD and REVIT through or using Linko 7. So we stopped at establishing the connection in the previous video, so we have the live connection now established. So let's say we'll draw a circle at the origin. Now if you draw a circle, you see it right there. You draw a line, you see it right there. You draw a polyline, let's say an arc line, something like that. You finished it, it will show right there. You draw a column grid, maybe from here to here, and it would show right there. It's a small one, it's supposed to be bigger because it's probably a big so this do a grid line here to show the actual, then you will see a grid line here. So basic drawing objects in AutoCAD like lines, circles, ellipses, polylines, and grid lines can be used. Later on in other videos we'll see how to actually create REVIT family elements like columns, structure framing, walls, using a live connection. In the previous video I mentioned three types of connection. I mentioned only two, and the third one in this video is the export. Export option allows you to export entities or objects from AutoCAD to REVIT without any, you don't need any live connections between them. So you don't have to have even REVIT on your machine. You can export the whole file into the whole drawing file into a Linko 7 format file, and you can import that into REVIT later on a different machine. Or so this is the third option, export, and we'll see it in another video. And this is the import, that you actually import that file, and you don't need again to have any live connection or even have REVIT on your machine. Thanks for watching.